Pag wala kang time for a full-on makeup pero you don't want to look like you just woke up, you'll love these Gorgeous Glow products. I love putting on makeup, but nowadays, lalo na kung mag-errands lang naman ako, I don't put so much effort na. Kaya I'm so happy I discovered Gorgeous Glow's products. First up is Gorgeous Glow's My Pink Serum. Sobrang gamit ng mit ko tong lip serum na to since I got it kasi problem ko talaga ang dry lips. I noticed na nakatulong siya to moisturize and improve yung appearance ng lips ko. They say their My Pink Serum is infused with vitamins, antioxidants, and healing crystals daw na rose quartz, amethyst, and citrine. Pwede rin to sa cheeks pero I mostly use it on my lips. I got the shade Carmen na bet ko. It's a mix of deep red and parang violet. Bagay na bagay sa aesthetic ko. Just. Next is yung Gorgeous Glow Perfect Brows Laminator. Since makapal naturally yung kilay ko, on regular days, di na ako nagbabrow makeup. Kaso may times rin tinatamad ako i-groom siya since work from home naman ako. So this Perfect Brows Laminator is perfect for me. Ingredients niya include castor oil, peptides, and aloe vera extract. Transparent siya so walang smudging and wala ring clumps. It helps keep my brow hair in place and attain niya yung magulo kong kilay lalo na pag mahangin. Isa pa to sa gamit na gamit ko pag wala ako sa mood magkilay. So napapadali tuloy pag-aayos ko when I'm just gonna run errands. It's a must-have if kilay is life ka. If you also need Gorgeous Glow's My Pink Serum and Perfect Brows Laminator, check the links in the caption or on my bio.